Welcome back to Sumi Fashions. We are here with another beautiful collections of Mal cotton sarees. Let me see what I have got for you. These are beautiful Mal cotton sitara sarees, and these sarees are like having jewelry running through all over the saree, guys. And look at this closer look of the saree is like this. So you have this jari lines running through the saree. Material is Mal cotton with jari running. This is not print, guys. I'm showing you this are the jari lines all through the saree. This is how the saree pallu looks like, guys. All through the saree you will have the similar lines running. So it is also having a pretty pom-poms here. Let me show you the material look. See, this is how the material looks like. This is how it looks, guys. Look at that, how beautiful shiny the saree is. All through the saree it will be similar. Let me show you the saree look also. Look at this. This is how the body looks, guys. So beautiful collections, guys. All through the saree you have all the jari lines running through. It's very apt for all the parties, and also you can attend all the marriage functions. It's very pretty, guys. Look at this. Very beautiful collections. All through the saree you will have the same work running. So let us see what colors we have got for you in this beautiful sitara collections. So this is one more saree, guys. Beautiful black color with golden jari running through that. You can see the jari, all that people who has confusions, right? See, these are the jari lines, guys, and you can see the jari here. So jari running all through the saree. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so complementing color, guys. Like it's copper, it's looking like a copper saree, but it's actual black saree with a golden jari running through the saree. Look at that. I hope my camera captures it. Very beautiful saree, guys. And this is how the material looks like. Look at that. This is a saree, guys. This is black color saree with golden jari running through all over the saree, and all over the saree it looks same. See, look at this. And this is pretty black color, guys. Black with golden jari. And let us see one more color. We have this pretty magenta color. This is magenta color, guys. Let's see the overall look of the saree. Very beautiful collections, guys. All the sarees are priced at only 2300, guys. Look at that. This is a beautiful magenta color. Magenta color running. Look at that. Wow. All this jari running through. All of beautiful color. We have got this green color, guys. Green is traditional color. Look at that, guys. This is also having a golden jari running through. Let's see how it looks. We are taking all the videos in natural light, guys. Based on the sunshine, this will again shine more. Look at that. How beautiful saree. Look at that. Wow. All the saree looks like this. So we have got some more color combinations. Let's see. This is beautiful golden color, guys. Dark golden. It's not that lighter golden one. This is a dark golden, like double shade, I guess. Yeah, you can see that double thread shade, and with jari running through the saree. This is how it looks. It's golden mustard kind of saree, guys. And all the sarees are having pom-poms running through. And let us see one more color. So we have got this off-white color, guys. Very beautiful collection. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Every saree is having the jari running through, guys. Look at this. This is the jari work running through the saree. So this is off-white. Very beautiful, bright. You can pair this up with any of the blouses. Look at that, how beautiful saree it is. All through the saree you will have similar jari lines, guys. This is white color. Another color we have. So that is gray color, guys. We have one more gray color saree. So this is the saree, guys. Look at that. Every saree is beautiful, guys. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Simple, elegant, party look and trendy, lightweight. What else, guys? What else do you need? It's an amazing saree, guys. So grab this deal, guys. All these pretty sarees are priced at only 2300, guys. Very beautiful collection. It's second time we have got this. So online we thought like we'll showcase these things. So look at these colors. We have pretty blue with golden jerry,